Miss Marina. Miss Marina, Miss Marina. Can I ask something? Why are you so pretty?
Thank you so
You're
much.
so beautiful. Are you actress?
Thank you. I'm from Germany. I live in Dresden.
Wow. You're so pretty. I can't stop looking at you. I can't stop
Of course, of course. Oh, I invited you.
Oh, yeah. Di pala kami nagkakaintindihan guys kasi hindi siya masyado marunong mag-English. Sana naintindihan niya, sobrang ganda niya po. Wow, look at that face. Very pretty. Ah, thank you so much.
My mind, you're kind of me.
Well, I'm telling the truth.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Thank you.
Because you really are so pretty. Okay. Hello guys, magsisimula na kami at ang mag-makeup sa akin ay si Marina. Hi Marina. We're kinda like the same name. My name is Mary and then you're Marina.
My name is Marina.
Oh wow. Can you say Mai? Can you say Mai?
My.
May accent sila guys. Okay. We're gonna start na for Fun Oy Fashion Show. See you later po. Bye! Say bye! Bye! Oh, ito pala yung look ko. Wow! We'll see!